You get an 8.5 sleeping pad, and it's this big. It's pretty crazy. I mean, I think it's smaller than my Nalgene. You know, you compare that. So I try to fold it kind of in quarters. So that side in the middle, and then that side, and just trying to get as much air out as possible along the way. Then you get this big long noodle, and then you just gotta roll it up super tight and better, and you can kind of sweep the air out once in a while. Flatter you can get it before you roll it as well. There you go.